back inside the house eh. Dun sa mga nag-answer ng yes, who would you want to be with kung babalik kayo for another edition? Hypothetical lang. Who would you want to be with as housemates? Previous housemates.
Chef George. Chef, if Caprice's dad was a housemate, I feel like we'd be happy the entire season.
Mas madali ang buhay,
Yes.
no?
As in, nung isang araw na pinaglutuan tayo ni Chef George, that is like so good. I swear, like, yung omelette na ginawa niya, it's like, yeah. No, because on that day, we didn't get our eggs for the day. We were wondering, where did it go? Tapos, pinalabas kami sa garden area. Tapos pinapasok ulit kami. Nandiyan si Chef George. Si Chef George, ginamit na yung mga eggs namin. And like, he used such simple ingredients to make like, napakagandang meal, bro. And like, actually, if Chef George is a housemate, I'd be happy with that. I know that, I don't know.
Let me get this straight. Willing kang bumalik sa bahay ni Kuya kung housemate din si Chef George, ang tatay ni Caprice.
Yes.
Wow! Ganun ka
Chef
sarap
George.
yung luto ni Chef George, ah. Willing kang bumalik. Oh.
Like, where Chef George is right now, he really deserves it because he's such a talented chef. If he was a housemate, no problem whatsoever.
So yun lang yung kinulang sa inyo pala, yung magaling magluto. Okay. Kayo guys, sino gusto niyo isama if ever?
Ako po siguro si Tita Melay.
Oh my gosh!
Sobrang tuwa ko kay Tita Melay. Sorry, wait, ex-housemates.
Oo, kahit sinong ex-housemate.
I'm from...
Yeah, kahit anong edition, pwede.
Ayun, si Tita Melay.
Alam mo, natanong na rin siya niyan before, sabi niya willing siya kasi mahal na raw yung kuryente. So isama daw yung buong pamilya niya sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. How about you, Crystal?
Ako po si, Kuya Slater.
Have you met him
Hindi
before?
pa po, pero I'm a fan. I'm really a fan. Pinapanood ko po siya live. Tsaka sobrang ina-admire ko din po siya kung paano din po siya sa PBB. Kasi he's also the PBB.
Yes. Oo, tsaka diretso rin siya magsalita like you. Di ba siya si Name People? Di ba? Slater niya. Name People. Ikaw, Miguel.
Ako si Hit po ulit.
Bakit si Miguel?
Wala, gusto ko lang po makasama siya ulit dun sa mga task ko sa loob. Masaya po eh.
Oh, nagkikita pa ba kayo ni Ethan?
Opo. Kasi sabi nila hinahanap po yung higel. Nakikita pa naman po ba?
Oh, okay, so Eagle fans, that's good news. Okay. Ngayon naman meron tayong question.